does your credit score affect the rate that you get for the mortgage like it does with other kinds of loans?
So yeah, your interest rate, of course, there are other factors, but your credit score is a super important factor in your interest rate. Your debt to income is also a factor. How much money you're putting down on the house is another very important factor. But yes, your credit score is super important when it comes to the mortgage interest rate. And so typically every 20 points it gets you to the next tier or the next level. Not always, and usually that's starting, at 600 and above. So typically you're going to need a 580 or higher. Yes, if you Google FHA credit score requirements, technically they go down to 500. They're not fun. You have to put a lot more money down. It's not 3.5%, and there's hoops, and you better have a lot of money for having such a low credit score, because otherwise it's not going to happen. But 580 is usually the minimum benchmark. And then really most lenders will tell you they want you to have a 620 or higher. So at 620, at least then you could start to get decent rates, especially with FHA. Conventional is a different story. Conventional, you really want like a 700 plus. I mean, you could get away with a 680 or a 660, but you better be putting 20% down if you're going conventional. Anything below 700, it could be pretty tough on the mortgage insurance and the interest rate. They're going to get you pretty good.